Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nursing Education. So today we are going to discuss about the main functions of liver. So the first one main function of liver is the production of bile. Second one is clearance of bilirubin. Bilirubin is formed in our body as response of the breakdown of RBCs, and then it is very fatal, so it is excreted from our body with the help of liver. Then third one is storage of extra iron. Extra iron is stored in our liver. Then fourth one is convert ammonia to urea. The harmful ammonia is converted to urea in our liver, then it is excreted from our body through the urine. Then next one is storage of glucose as glycogen. Glucose is stored as in the form of glycogen for future use. Then the main symptom is produce cholesterol. Cholesterol is produced from the liver. Then the main symptom is last and the most main symptom is production of albumin protein. So these were the functions of the liver. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.